Hey guys, what I have here is the Chicago Electric Sawzall. It's got rotation in it. This is the rotation lock here. So you just hold that down. And it's got 5 different positions. You can position that. It goes at a 180-degree angle. Straighten that out. It's got this easy rotator cuff here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Easy blade installation. So I'm just going to install the blade right here. Just slide it in. Alright. It's in there firm. I don't have it plugged in right now, but show you guys that in a second. You got your lock there. Okay. I'm going to plug it up real quick, just so you guys can get a hear what it sounds like. Okay. Also, it's got some great grip here. This here's some great grip. Okay, this is what it sounds like. You have to get in there at an angle. Totally at the side. Maybe you had to cut a pipe. Alright. Chicago Electric Sawzall. Great tool.